Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Riverstone Legacy. This is model 37 FLTH. Guys, this is the Riverstone Legacy. This is hands down the best fifth wheel I have ever seen because it's not a fifth wheel. This is a full luxury, full body paint, beautiful luxury fifth wheel that actually has a garage attached to it. Does come standard with the air ride pin box, super nice. Furrion side cameras and rear cameras, I love that. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. Coming on down the side here, we do have Goodyear H-rated tires, triple axle. Tons of storage in this beast with slam latch doors, TV on the outside, more storage, and then this is what's amazing. Coming around back, we turn this key, bada bing, bada boom. Look at this. This turns into a garage. Now what's so amazing about this garage is actually located underneath the master bedroom. This raises up for you to bring your motorcycles in here, your golf carts in here, everything. Or if you wanted to use this like an office, you actually have air conditioning that pumps into the back of here, so you can do that. Super awesome features. Let's take a look at the inside. Also, this is a fifth wheel that is coming with slide toppers already included on it. Very nice solid steps. When we come in, do like a little 360 real quick. Okay. And then show what's going on up here. Up here, we got this nice living room. Tri-cushions. Right here, the TV does come up on the televator. Fireplace right there. Tons of storage all the way around. These both make sleepers, and then you got your theater seats right over there. Coming on down away. Over here, we got the dinette. This dinette does extend out if you have guests. Nice windows, daytime shades, and privacy shades. Over here's the kitchen. Solid surface countertop, residential features. Turkey tested oven, turkey approved oven. Let's check out this bathroom. If you go in and look at that shower real quick, talk about it.
Very nice encore shower, nice teak seat, great toilet placement, and great vanity.
Yes, sir. And then to finish it all up, guys, this is the master bedroom. Again, this bed lifts up and comes to the roof so you can get your toys in. There's also tons of cabinetry here, and it does have a stackable washer dryer. Overall, again, just an awesome, this isn't a toy hauler, this isn't a fifth wheel. This is a luxury fifth wheel with a garage. Thank you guys so much for spending a couple minutes checking out this short tour. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, Towables. Or if you're ready to buy this unit, great. Click that link down below. We'll have a member of our team reach out to you. They're going to get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.